And you're charged in count one with the offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child. That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. And all right, the court is calling 2021 CR 1198, State of Texas versus Mario Guerra. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michael Villarreal for the state.
Defense?
Melissa Christian.
And are you Mr. Guerra?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Michael. You need to sign.
Oh, that might help.
Thank you. All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and that you review it with your client?
I have.
Mr. Guerra, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We did.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state proceeding on count one only and waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
No objections.
Mr. Guerra, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged in count one with the offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Guerra, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very much so.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 16 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State is opposing your application and there's to be no contact with the complainants and there's to be Chapter 62 compliance. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Motions have been filed but not ruled upon in any negative manner.
Then to count one in indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state offer state's exhibit number 1 and its attachments.
We have no objections.
All right, state, you may continue to confer.
I'm just here for this, Judge.
Oh,
I'm your captive audience.
well, thank you very much. It's always great to have you back. All right, Mr. Guerra, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call them the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Is there a need for a TAP evaluation or no?
No, not at all.
All right, Ms. Fergus.
I say that just out of
Bun-
candor with the court, he is on DWI probation, so if you want a TAP evaluation, that's all it will show.
Okay, all right, then we won't need a TAP.
Okay.
Ms. Ferguson, I need a sentencing date for PSI.
May 25th.
All right, that's the soonest we can do. In 2021 CR 1198. So the court was informed that the actual report will be done on the 10th. So to make sure that everybody has it and has a chance to review it, I'm recalling this back on the 11th for sentencing.
Okay.
All right.
April 11th, correct?
Yes. So Ms. Ferguson, if you can give them an April 11th reset date on Mr. Guerra, please. All right, thank
Judge.
you. Court is calling 2022 CR 4056, State of Texas versus Jose Ramirez. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record? All right, you need to speak up because you're whispering.
Jose Ramirez.
All right, so the court ordered for him to do a UA. It took him a long time to do the UA, but it ended up being negative.
I'm sorry.
No problem. I know you were concerned that it was going to be positive, which is concerning to the court because that means that you used. So,
He was honest to the court then, man.
no, and I appreciate that he let the court know. So, Mr. Ramirez, what are you normally using?
I'm asking right now.
No, you didn't hear my question. What do you normally use?
Normally,
Mhm.
I was mad.
Meth.
Yeah.
How often were you using meth?
Like every day.
Every day. So why did you stop using meth?
Got a burnout for the heart failure.
I'm sorry, what?
Got a heart failure.
Okay.
Heart failure, guy.
So are you seeing a doctor?
Yes.
He was actually in the hospital several times, Your Honor, while this case was going on. We had to reschedule a couple of times because he had many strokes along the way.
Okay.
And he has high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and heart failure.
Drugs doesn't work well with that. Right, drugs doesn't work with that. You understand? All right, are you working or no?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm doing makers, like maintenance in our apartments.
Okay. All right, did anyone want to have any more questions for Mr. Ramirez? He was sworn in the last time we were here, and of course, you're still under oath.
Nothing from the state. No.
All right, so there's a restitution amount in here of $15,048. Is there any objection to the restitution amount?
It is what it is, Your Honor. I understand it's high, but the man didn't have insurance.
Okay. All right, and I'm assuming the $15,000, is that to Yosvany, Yosvany Cabrera? Is that who that is to?
Yeah, I mean, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I don't have the file in front of me, but if that's the main victim in the indictment, that would be.
That is the name of the victim.
Okay,
Yes, we'll be in agreement with that, Your Honor.
all right, thank you. And are you in agreement with that, Mr. Ramirez? I'm sorry?
I'm sorry, I understand what.
Well, they are saying that you owe $15,048 in restitution to Cabrera. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
And how are you planning on paying that?
The payments,
All right, so how much are you able to pay a month?
I think like $100.
All right, so probation, I'm going to need him to sit down with you and come out with a budget for how much he's going to be able to pay a month, or either biweekly or whatever he can pay, because the court intention is not for you not to have a place to stay, but this person needs this $15,000 because that's what they're owed. You understand?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing else, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's restitution of $15,048 to Yasvani Cabrera, Cabrera. There's to be no contact with Yasvani Cabrera in family. No contact with Marie Martinez, Marcelo, Marcelo Jimenez, Griselda, Griselda Palmer, Palmer, or McKinley, Mckinley Avenue in San Antonio, Texas.
I think that's actually an adjoining property from where he lives.
All right, so according to the plea,
I'm sorry.
according to the plea bargaining agreement, you all agreed that he's not to have no contact with that physical address.
It's just next door.
All right,
You can't do anything about where he lives.
all
He
right,
knows not to go on that property.
all right, so it will be no problem. He's to have no contact with 320 McKinley Avenue. And Ms. Abrams, were you able to get to the other items that I put down so far? Were you able to hear that?
Yes,
Okay.
I just need the correct spelling for Roselda.
It's Griselda, Griselda Palmer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution if you provide, and I'm sorry, state, if you may concur.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. 200 hours community service restitution. Counsel, if there is a medical reason why he can't perform those hours, then he'll need to provide probation with a medical letter from the doctor saying that he can't perform certain hours. I'm going to want regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits one time per month. Probation, if you want to count that field visit as a reporting, you may do so. We're going to do the UA hotline with him for 3 months. And he needs to be tested weekly. If there are no issues, then probation, you can provide UAs what you think is appropriate. I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment with probation. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. In just one moment. Just give me 1 second. All right, and we're going to do anger management. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, next I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Here you are, counsel. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. In this courtroom, communication with your probation officer is key to being successful. If there is something you need to help you be successful on probation, let the probation officer know. If you feel like they are not addressing your issue, then you can always come to court. We're here Monday through Friday. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you.